I'm presenting my paper on the topic prevalence of comorbidity of depressive disorders and panic disorder in patients diagnosed with migraine with and without aura. Migraine has been linked with several psychiatric disorders such as depression and anxiety. Migraineurs are 2.5 times more likely to be depressed than those without migraine and 2 to 5 times more likely to have anxiety disorders. Relationship between migraine and certain psychological features such as a tendency towards perfectionism, neuroticism, repressed aggressivity, and melancholic mood has been reported for more than a century. The studies assessing migraine in psychiatric patients are limited. In the present study, we will examine the prevalence of comorbidity of depressive disorder and panic disorder. The aim of the study is to find the prevalence and comorbidity of depressive disorders and panic disorder in patients diagnosed with migrainous headache with and without aura. Methods and procedure. International Society for Headache criterion was applied to screen patients having migrainous headache. 220 such patients who met our inclusion and exclusion criteria and gave consent for the study were selected, and mini scale was applied to find out any diagnosable comorbidity with panic disorder and depressive disorders. The association of demographical factors, age, sex, education, and socioeconomic status with migraine was calculated. Inclusion criteria, age 18 years or more, patients coming to the psychiatry OPD of Maharishi Markandeeshwar Medical College and Hospital diagnosed to have migraine by ICSD-3, patients who were first diagnosed in the hospital, patients who were willing to give a written informed consent were included in the study. Exclusion criteria, patients who were already on psychiatric treatment, patient who had comorbid medical ailments, patients who had history of substance abuse or dependence were excluded from the study. Chi-square test was used to compare the prevalence of depressive disorder and panic disorder in patients of migraine. Statistical significance was set at 5% interval. Odds ratio was determined within the 95% confidence interval for the risk of migraine with and without aura among patients with depressive disorder and panic disorder. An odds ratio greater than 1 was considered statistically significant. Results. Incidence rates were higher for females for every age group. Youngest age group had the highest rates for migraine. Overall, migraine without aura was found to be more prevalent than migraine with aura, with prevalence rates of 87.3% and 12.7% respectively. Maximum prevalence was found in the lower socioeconomic group, while prevalence was almost the same in middle and upper socioeconomic groups. Prevalence of depression was 29.2% in cases of migraine without aura, whereas it was 64.3% in cases of migraine with aura, showing highly statistically significant association. The prevalence of panic disorder was 11.5% in cases of migraine without aura, whereas it was 14.3% in cases of migraine with aura, showing no significant association. Odds ratio of panic disorder in cases of migraine with aura was compared to migraine without aura and was 1.288, showing insignificantly more chances of panic disorder in cases of migraine with aura. Cases of migraine with aura had significantly higher odds of having depression as compared to cases without aura. Discussion. Since the introduction of the IHS criteria, several studies of community-drawn samples have examined psychiatric comorbidities in migraine. Incidence rates were higher for females of every age group. The youngest age group had the highest rates for migraine. Migraine prevalence has been estimated to be 34.5% in women and 20% in men, while depression has been estimated to occur in 12.6% of women and 6.3% of men in the United States. Studies have shown that psychiatric disturbances are the commonest comorbid complaints in patients with migraine. These results are quite at par with our findings. A study by Breslow and co-workers found major depression in 40.7% of patients with migraine, which almost matches the findings of a study. Another study found that younger age and female gender showed higher prevalence of migraine, as in our study. Major depression and panic disorder had the strongest association. Depression in our study followed almost the same trend, but the prevalence of panic disorder was found to be lesser. This could be due to the fact that patients with panic attacks were mostly diagnosed as having depressive disorder, as mood symptoms were predominating in them. Conclusion. The complex interplay of factors underlying the relationship between migraine, suicide risk, and mood disorders deserve scientific interest and better methodologically based investigation. Comorbidity with psychiatric disorders raise the global burden of migraine. Migraine in comorbidity with psychiatric disorders is associated with poorer health related outcomes. Psychiatric comorbidity indeed affects migraine evolution and may lead to chronic substance use and may change treatment strategies, eventually modifying the outcome of this important disorder. Thank you.